Hi guys, in today's video we are going to learn how to make an attractive thumbnail. Thumbnail plays very important role in getting views. So here in my computer screen, open your browser. Now come to the search engine and type canva.com. It is CANVA. Now here we are on the website. Sign up with your account. Of course, it is free. Here I sign up with my account, and now here is the interference of one of the best graphic designing website, canva.com. There are many options of uploading content, making folders and much more. So click on create a design. There are many things to be made such as logo, posters. Click on YouTube thumbnail. It has a size of 1280 by 720 pixels as YouTube asks you to make. There are many options of adding text, videos and backgrounds. First we will choose a background. Canva offers hundreds of background templates. You can choose any. But I will use a black background. Here is also an option to animate your thumbnail. You can choose any to animate them and make a video. I am at the moment choosing fade. Here is text option to add text, but we will look it afterwards. First we have to download images to make the thumbnail look attractive. I am making thumbnail on coronavirus cases hit 8 million. So I will download images of coronavirus and doctors. As I have downloaded images, here I come back to Canva. Upload the content on Canva by clicking upload. Set the images size on thumbnail as you want. You can even crop images to match the size you want. I am using two images of equal size. Now I am adding text to image. I will add text above the images. Click twice on the text to edit it. I have added text that COVID-19 cases hit 8 million. Now you have to set the text. I would like it to be in middle. You can do whatever you want. You can change the text font. There are many text fonts. I would like to choose the Gaggelin one. It is one of the best fonts that I like. See how good it looks. Now you can download video. Oh yeah, I added the animate effect so it makes a video. We can remove it. Go back to the animate. Click on non-effect. You can download the thumbnail in many formats: PNG, JPEG. You could download in PNG as it provides an high quality image. Here the images download. Thanks for watching.